Grilled. Parliamentarians question security chiefs in Gordon House Committee today. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, detention. Almost 200 held so far in the corporate area state of emergency.
Hungry kids. Opposition spokesman calls for more to be done to feed students on path.
Spending more. Government expenditure rises by over $70 billion this year.
Re-verification. Electoral office expects 200,000 names to be removed from the voters list.
And we have the business news and also sports and sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, are you confident that the states of emergency will help to nab criminals?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.